Welcome to the heart of the South American gold industry, where colossal machines reshape the earth, and every hour thousands of tons are moved with precision. In this high-altitude landscape, nature's grandeur meets the raw power of industrial engineering, creating a spectacle of human ambition and mechanical might on an epic scale. Look at these mechanical titans. A single tire stands taller than two men, designed to support hundreds of tons of raw ore across the most rugged terrain. The roar of turbocharged diesel engines echoes through the canyon, a constant heartbeat of production that never stops, day or night, in this relentless pursuit of wealth. But don't let the rugged exterior fool you. This is a realm of extreme precision, where every movement is monitored by advanced satellite systems and expert operators. The extraction begins with the drill. These massive machines penetrate the hard rock, preparing the ground for the explosive force that will release the hidden gold within. A thunderous blast shakes the earth, shattering the geological layers. In a matter of seconds, thousands of tons of rock are transformed into workable ore for transport. As the dust settles, the true work begins. The earth has been broken, and the primary materials are now ready to be harvested from the deep mining pits. This is where the giants wake up. Shovels capable of lifting 60 tons in a single scoop work tirelessly to fill the endless line of waiting transport trucks. We move to the primary crusher, the first stage of the transformation process. Here, the raw power of gravity and steel begins to conquer the mountain's resistance. Millions of pounds of pressure are applied as massive steel jaws pulverize the boulders, reducing them to fragments no larger than 10 centimeters in diameter for processing. The sound is deafening. The structural integrity of the rock is systematically destroyed, unlocking the microscopic particles of gold trapped within the dense mineral matrix. Once crushed, the material is fed onto a sophisticated conveyor system. This mechanical artery will transport the ore miles away to the secondary treatment facilities. These belts are the lifelines of the mine, moving thousands of tons per hour with perfect efficiency, bypassing the need for truck transport over long distances. Advanced optical sensors and metal detectors scan every inch of the passing ore, ensuring that only the highest quality material reaches the next stage of extraction. Consistency is key. The mechanical rhythm of the plant ensures a steady flow of material, which is essential for the delicate chemical processes that lie ahead. Maintenance is constant. Skilled technicians monitor the health of the machinery to prevent any downtime, as every minute of stoppage represents a massive loss in production. The crushed ore is meticulously stacked into giant mounds on the leaching pads. This marks the transition from physical mechanical processing to the world of chemistry. In this environment, size is everything. Smaller fragments provide more surface area, allowing the chemical solutions to interact more effectively with the microscopic gold particles. Science takes over as a specialized chemical solution is sprayed over the ore heaps. This controlled liquid gently trickles through the rocks to dissolve the gold. This is a silent but powerful reaction. The pH-balanced solution acts like a magnet, pulling the gold atoms away from their rocky prison into a liquid state. The solution, now enriched with gold, is collected at the base of the pads. These ponds of pregnant solution are the primary source of the mine's wealth. In the central control room, engineers monitor every milliliter of fluid. A deviation of even 0.1% is not acceptable in this high-stakes environment. Constant adjustments are made to ensure the perfect chemical balance. Human expertise and automated systems work in harmony to maximize the recovery of every gram. Laboratory testing is the backbone of the operation. Every batch of solution is analyzed to verify its gold content and to refine the extraction parameters. High-precision instruments provide instant data, allowing the team to react to changes in the ore quality and maintain the highest levels of efficiency possible. Communication is vital. Field technicians and lab scientists coordinate their efforts to ensure that the leaching process continues smoothly across the entire vast facility. As the solution darkens, it signals success. The gold is now fully dissolved and ready to be pulled back into a solid form through the power of electricity. We enter the electrowinning plant, where the miracle of physics occurs. This is the stage where gold finally takes its first steps toward becoming a physical object. A powerful electric current is passed through the tanks. This energy creates an attraction that draws the gold ions out of the liquid and onto the plates. When the cathodes are lifted, they appear dark and unimpressive. But don't be fooled. That black sludge is composed of concentrated, high-purity gold particles. The electric potential has successfully bonded the gold to the steel. This is the moment where the liquid wealth becomes a tangible, heavy, and valuable reality. The humming of the transformers provides the soundtrack to this transformation. The energy consumption is massive, but the result is the most precious metal on Earth. High-pressure water is used to reclaim the gold from the plates. The sludge is washed into a specialized filtration system to be dried and prepared for smelting. Every drop of water is recycled, and every gram of sludge is accounted for. The security and precision in this area are the highest in the entire mine. The mud is dried to remove any remaining moisture. This powder, while still dark, is nearly pure gold, awaiting only the final heat of the furnace. The final check is performed. The material is weighed and documented before moving to the most dramatic stage of the entire industrial process, the smelting room. Welcome to the heart of the fire. The smelting furnace is where the gold concentrate is subjected to temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius. At 1,064 degrees, gold turns into a brilliant liquid. The heat of the sun is recreated here to purify the metal and remove final impurities. Operators clad in specialized silver suits must withstand the intense radiation. Their skill ensures that the liquid metal flows perfectly, without any loss or contamination. Witness the birth of liquid light. This molten gold, glowing with a fierce intensity, is the culmination of the efforts of thousands of people and machines. The flow is smooth and heavy. Gold's high density is apparent even in its liquid state, as it fills the mold with a weight that commands respect. Impurities are skimmed away, leaving only the pure, noble metal. This separation is crucial for achieving the high purity standards required by the global market. The scale of production is immense. In this room, the raw earth of South America is finally transformed into the most coveted substance in human history. As the metal cools, it begins to reclaim its iconic color. The transition from liquid to solid is a rapid and fascinating display of elemental physics. Even solid, the bar is still hundreds of degrees hot. It is handled with extreme care by automated systems to prevent any damage to its surface. The sudden quench in water creates a violent cloud of steam. This rapid cooling stabilizes the metal, preparing it for the final stages of hallmarking. Emerging from the water, the gold bar reveals its true brilliance. It is now a finished product, ready to be weighed and certified for its incredible value. Each bar is polished to perfection. This is not just an industrial product. It is a masterpiece of engineering and the ultimate store of value. The final stamp of approval. Each bar is given a unique identity, a digital and physical record of its origin and its absolute purity. Precision is maintained until the very last second. Every milligram is recorded, ensuring total transparency and accountability in this multi-billion-dollar operation. These stacks represent the culmination of an incredible journey. From deep within the earth to the palm of a hand, the process is a testament to human ingenuity. The cycle never stops. As the sun sets over the mine, the giants continue their work. Join us next time for more insights into the world's greatest processes.